Alright guys, real quick, naming rules. And oh, did I already do that? Alright, so I already have the naming rules from the website, as we can see. You can just go ahead and Google naming rules, just like type in naming rules for Java. And we're going to focus where it says naming, and look at this first sentence in the first bullet point. It'll pretty much tell you the rules. Okay. So we just named our variable, our character variable var. Okay. Now let's say we capitalize one of the letters. Well, naming variables is case sensitive, right? So var is different than var with a lowercase v versus a capital V. Now, if I make it a capital V, there's no errors, as we can see, right? But if I undo that, it has a red squiggler right there because it cannot find the variable var. It has not been declared, or it has not been declared. Okay. Now we can also, so far we only use letters in there, okay, like lowercase letters or uppercase letters. Variables can also contain numbers. Okay, v6r and v6r are the same thing, right? However, a variable cannot start with a number. We cannot start it with a number, a numerical character. All right. So let me change this back. Let me undo. All right. Variables can start with an underscore. They can contain underscores as well in the middle. They can contain underscores and even start with an underscore. And they can also have dollar signs and start with a dollar sign. They can contain dollar signs in the middle, and everything runs fine. Let's go ahead and run this. And that's it on naming variables. I'm not going to go any more on that. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not that big of a deal. You obviously, it's a big deal. Yeah, when you're actually making real projects, you want to name your variables meaningful names. You generally want to keep them short, but keep them descriptive. You can get away with let's see. We can even make the variable just $1 So the name can be as long as we want. All right, we can make this as long as we want, slapping some underscores, a couple dollar signs. It just can't start with a number. I said that earlier. Yeah, but it's not recommended to make them really long. But yep. So these are pretty much the only characters you can use. The letters on the keyboard, lowercase or uppercase, numbers. It just can't start with a number, and the $sign and underscore. That's pretty much it. Okay, to keep it simple, you can read this right here. You almost need a law degree to understand this, but I'm not going to go over it in this video. I think I just summed it up. So far, I think I hit all the examples of what you can do as far as containing letters. Why they include the $sign? Usually other languages do have to have their variables start with $signs. If you use the language PHP, you can start your variables off with the $sign. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Now we're going to start picking up the basics. I mean, we are covering basics, but the more crucial basics of this language. Thank you for watching, and let's watch the next video.